Hey guys, what's up you guys? How are you guys doing? Okay guys, so you're welcome back to my channel and you're welcome back to today's video. So in today's video I'm actually going to be showing you how to increase your hair, like grow your hair at least 2 centimeters. Okay, and it's actually been long I did a hair video, and I find this ingredient so helpful, so useful, so effective, and it's actually very natural, and it's going to help your hair grow. So you don't have nothing to lose here. Okay, what you just need to do is to give this a try, and you're gonna be happy you did. Okay, because the ingredients are actually something that is not difficult to find. Okay, and you're gonna be loving it. Okay, because it's very effective. Okay you guys, so let me take you right into the video so you can see all of the ingredients, and do watch the video to the very end, because I'm going to be spelling out how you're going to be using this for this to be very effective and grow your hair, okay, at least 2 centimeters every day. All right, so let us go. Today's video I'm going to be showing you a very powerful ingredient that would actually help you so much to get a thick, full and a long hair at least 2 centimeters per day. Of course, even if it's 1 centimeter per day, is gonna be thick and it's gonna be full. Okay, so do subscribe to my channel and do like this video. Okay, so the very first ingredient we're going to be using is moringa seed. This is actually moringa seed. Okay, so what we're going to do now is that we're going to be heating this moringa seed to remove the inner seed, which is softer, because this is basically the shell. Okay, so if you're experiencing hair fall and your hair at the front side is actually thinning out, and then your hair is actually falling off, I have this very important ingredients that will actually help you to restore your hair. Okay guys, so this is the moringa seed, and what we're going to do here is that you're going to be blending this moringa seed. All right, where's the small water? All right guys, so after that you have to pound the moringa seed, or you can as well just blend it, but since it's actually small, that's why I'm pounding it. Okay guys, so now I'm done pounding, and I'm gonna be putting this into a bowl. Alright, so this is the moringa seed now. So what I'm gonna do now is that I'm gonna be getting my onion. The very next ingredient which we're going to be needing is onion. Now onion helps so much for hair growth. Okay, it helps to stop breakage, and it helps to leave your hair really healthy, thick and equally dark. Okay, so you are looking forward to having a dark hair, a longer and a thicker hair, and your frontals or your front hair is actually breaking up. This is an amazing ingredient that would actually help you to achieve that. So after that, I'm gonna be taking just half of the onion, and then we're going to cut the onion in pieces. Now you can either grate this onion or you blend it. So for me right now, I'm going to be blending it, okay, so that it could be very smooth and so I can get much juice out of it. So the very next ingredient, which is very important, which is required for this hair growth remedy, is garlic. Now garlic is one ingredient that helps so much to make your hair full. It contains an ingredient that helps to stimulate the hair scalp, and make your hair grow really fast, and it also thicken your hair really well. It helps to remove dandruff from your hair scalp, and it helps to stop itchiness. Okay, so if you're actually using garlic for your hair, be rest assured that it's going to help you stop any itchiness or dandruff. It is actually a natural dandruff remover. So here I have 3 cloves of garlic, and then I'm gonna shred the garlic as much as I can though. I'm gonna be blending it so we can actually get a whole lot of juice out of this. Yeah, so after doing that, then what you do is that I'm gonna be putting in just a little water to blend this all out. Okay. Right guys, so this is it, and what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna grab a strainer, and then I'm gonna strain this all out. Okay guys, so after that's done, I'm gonna first of all put a little of the juice in the moringa seed and try to mash it together so that it could actually mix for me folks. So after which it has mixed, I now have to turn everything in here, and this is it. Okay guys, so for the vaseline, so what we're going to do now would have to be taking at least 1.5 tablespoon of the vaseline and put it in a double boiler method. This is basically hot water, and then put it inside the hot water, and then I would have to continue stirring and so that it can actually melt. You can actually melt it directly into the fire or however you want to melt it. You just have to melt the vaseline. as it is actually melting. I need it to melt really much, really well. So I'm going to continue doing that. So I just have to continue melting this, and now it's actually melting, which is actually a very good news. Alright guys, so after which the Vaseline has actually melted, what we'll do is transfer it into here, and then we stir it. Oh, there's oil. Okay, so you stir it this way. Alright guys, so how you're going to be applying this? So you're going to grab this and you're going to put it in your forehead. Sorry, I have to use my hand to illustrate this. You're going to put it in your scalp. Sorry, not your forehead. In your scalp, you know, rub it through. Make sure that this ingredient is actually very smooth. Rub it through your scalp and your hair beneath, okay? That is actually going to help to, you know, stimulate your follicles. Now after which you apply this onto your hair, you have to wear a shower cap, you know, something that will actually retain heat into your hair, and so that this remedy would actually get into your follicles and repair your follicles a whole lot. Okay, so after which you've done that for like 1 hour or so, then you can actually remove your shower cap, sorry, and then you would have to wash this off with a warm water. Wash it off with a warm water, guys. Okay, after you wash it off, then you dry your hair, and then you use a very scented, you know, oil, okay, or you can actually use coconut oil to apply on your hair. And for this particular ingredient, you can apply it onto your hair at least once in a week. So even as it is right now, you can make it and store it, okay? Store it in your refrigerator. When you want to use it, you just grab it and just walk it down your hair scalp and let it penetrate your follicles. By so doing, your hair would actually grow really fast, and you are going to be loving it, guys. So go give this a try. Trust me, garlic and onion, you know, are actually one great natural hair growth remedy. Plus the moringa seed, it works like magic. So that's it, you guys. You know, rub this and leave it stay you know, wash it off, and it's going to help you to increase the volume of your hair, reduce all of the scantiness, you know, stop your hair from breaking and all of that. And this is going to be very helpful. Okay, so I'll see you again in my next video. Go give this a go and you're gonna be loving it. Do not forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and bye.